Today, we're trying olive oils, but not just any olive oils, specifically Atlas olive oils. Now, these guys are Moroccan organic olive oils that are used in Michelin star restaurants across the world. They've won countless awards, so we're gonna give them a taste, including a taste on some vanilla ice cream. So let's check it out. First up, we have Les Terroirs de Marrakech. It's a beautiful, beautiful color. This is what I love in an olive oil. It's peppery, it tastes like herbs, it's strong, it's a little spicy. 10 out of 10, we're off to a strong start. Honestly, this is amazing just for dipping. Next up, we have Atlas. This one's really good too. It's a lot more mild, but still, a little notes of pepper, not nearly as spicy. I could see using it with some fish or something. Now the one that comes in my favorite bottle, Desert Miracle. Now this one has won a bunch of different awards, so I'm super excited to taste it. This one is just smooth, it's buttery, it's delicious. And I heard that it goes really well in desserts, in baked goods, and even on ice cream. Let's try it. I'll be very honest with you guys if it's good or not. Okay, that's weirdly very good. Like, it's almost like that salt sweet thing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning a little bit more about these Moroccan olive oils. I'll include some links in my stories and story highlights for you guys to purchase if you ever decide you want to check them out. As always, saha and bon appetit.